My dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. Hope you all are staying safe at home. Today let's start a new lesson, lesson 6, force, work and energy. Do you like football? What happens when you kick a ball? The ball moves. What happens when you push or pull a table? It moves. A push or pull that act on an object is called force. So force is applied when you lift a glass of water, when you kick a football, when you turn the pages of a book, etc. So what is a force? A push or pull that act on an object is called force. What are the effects of force? Force can move an object. Force can stop a moving object. It can also change the direction of a moving object. For example, while playing cricket, when you kick the ball changes the direction of its movement. So force can change the direction of a moving object. Force can also change the shape of an object. For example, you can make different shapes using clay by applying force on it. So force can change the shape of a moving object. What are the effects of force? Force can move an object. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Force can also change the shape of an object. There are different kinds of force like muscular force, gravitational force, elastic force, frictional force and mechanical force. First, let's discuss about muscular force. When you push or pull a table, our muscles are used to apply force. This is called muscular force. So, muscular force is used to write in the notebook, push or pull a door, push or pull a table, etc. Then next is gravitational force. What happens when you throw a ball up in the air? It slows down, stops and then fall back to the earth. This is because of a force called gravity that acts on the ball. Gravity acts on all objects on the earth. That is why the ball when thrown up comes back to the earth. This force of attraction is called gravitational force. If there is no gravity on earth, what happens when you jump up? You will float in the air or fly off. So that is about gravitational force. Then next is frictional force. When you push a toy car on a rough surface, what happens? It stops after some time. This is due to a force called frictional force. Friction acts in the direction opposite to the direction of movement of the object. When you push a toy car on a smooth surface, it travels further. This shows that friction is less on a smooth surface than on a rough surface. Friction is very important in our daily life. Anything that is moving will never stop if there is no frictional force. Frictional force is needed for us to walk on a surface. So frictional force is very important in our daily life.
What is a frictional force? A force that acts on an object to slow it down is called frictional force.
Then next is elastic force. When you stretch a rubber band and let it go, it returns to its original state. This force that resists stretching and returns the object to its original state is called elastic force. Then the last one is mechanical force. Mechanical force means a force that comes in direct contact between two objects and results in the production of a change in state of the object. For example, opening and closing of door. While closing or opening a door, our hand comes in direct contact with the door. When force is applied, it results in the change in state of the door. That is, the door was in a state of rest. When force is applied, it changes into state of motion, opening or closing. So that is mechanical force. So today we have discussed about force, effects of force and different kinds of force. Hope you all have understood the topic. Read textbook page number 53 and 54. From notebook, study question number 1 and 2 from fill in the blanks. Question number 1 from name the following and question number 1 from answer the following. Write down the notes neatly in your notebook. A test paper is attached along with this. Do the test and submit it. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.